I look at my practice like I'm a multidisciplinary artist. So I take acting, theatre, poetry, writing, directing, like all of it combined, just to kind of, I guess, tell the stories and tell the kind of projects that I want to tell. And I think for this one, I wanted to ask the kind of next generation of like Newport youth, what does your city mean to you? And then create a spoken words piece. So I got like a good relationship with a few schools in Newport from my work as children's laureate. My old school, St Andrews, I always like to give back and empowering them through poetry, which is like a lot of my workshops. Once they're empowered, it kind of allows them then to understand that like my message of like everyone's a miracle, they really kind of get on board with. And then we've got a nice like solid basis to start like building upon these questions of like, what does Newport mean? Not for your friends, not for your family, but for you. I love a post-it note, so got post-it notes out, and we got like Dumbledore's pensive, just like extracting your thoughts, extracting your ideas, which I can then compile and go away and kind of like analyze and write down my own kind of response. For me, it was just like looking at what messages keep coming up, because then it's like a consistent thread, and then I can start kind of like writing down certain thoughts that I feel. I'll take some of their words as well, so like they impact like what I write as well, and then just like compile it together in a way. I can give back by writing like a piece that celebrates Newport. It's like a letter to Newport, I think, for me, told from the current and the next generation, because Newport gets such a bad rep sometimes, for all the bad that it gets. It's done some good, and I'm a byproduct of that good. I'm living proof of that, and so are these young people.